So I just received this on December 5th. It's the very first time I used it. I used it to vacuum my car. I was charging for 3 hours and it completely died. I didn't even get to finish my car. Only did the 2 spots in the back and the passenger seat. I didn't even get to do the driver's side and it already completely died. I like the concept of it. It's really like lightweight, easy, very easy to use, very easy to clean. I just rinsed out the filter and stuff. And yeah, I don't like that it dies very fast. I don't like that. It doesn't pick up as much because of the fact that the filter is on the top. And so you have to constantly be emptying out. Like I said, I charged it for almost 3 hours and it literally died within 20 minutes. So, I really...
Pegué un poquito de semillas de chía. Vamos a ver.
And eco, which makes it very strong whenever you need to really get up like pet hair or anything along those lines inside of your car. But where this really stands out, like I said before, is the fact that this is made for your car and charging inside of your car. So inside of the box, whenever you get this, you're going to get a USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C input so you can charge this directly from your car. Now,